Now that we're in the final week of the fall semester, um, we have the teachers of the Rock Institute have designed a quick survey to get a sense of how we can both work together to make the necessary improvements for the spring semester, reflecting on past performance and activities is something that will be very key for all of you when you guys get to high school, to notice the areas that we have performed strong in and the areas that we might be weak in. Is all part of the reflection process, and that is what we are trying to do with this survey to at least begin that and conclude it with a series of data talks we will have next semester. All of your responses to the questions will be kept between just yourself and us, your teachers. There's no need to worry about, say, it being shared with an administrator, or they're really, what I'm just trying to say, you need not fear that you'll get in trouble for any reason for doing this. If anything, probably since I created it, maybe I would be the one to get the slack. But as I said, that's nothing that you need to worry about. Again, take your time, be honest. Do not joke around or play with the questions because, as I said, this will all be reviewed by us teachers to help improve and just help you guys out. So, honesty is the best policy in this regard. So, take your time and hope you enjoy this survey. All right.